Have you ever worked hard, earned money, but still felt broke, stuck, or constantly stressed about finances? Well, let me tell you something that most people never hear. You're not stuck because of your income. You're stuck because of your mindset. If you've ever believed that money is evil or that you'll never be rich, this video could literally change your life. Let's be honest, money affects everything. Your freedom, your choices, even your confidence. But here's the truth. Your beliefs about money could be quietly destroying your future. So in this video, I'll walk you through 7 toxic money beliefs that are secretly holding you back, and give you genius mindset shifts that can help you break free, starting today. Toxic belief number 1, money is the root of all evil. This phrase is one of the most misquoted lines ever. The original quote? The love of money is the root of all kinds of evil. But if you believe money itself is evil, you'll unconsciously push it away. You'll feel guilty for wanting more, or sabotage your own success. Money isn't evil, it's a tool. And when it's in the hands of good people, it does good things. New mindset. Money is a tool I use to create positive change. Toxic belief number 2. I'll never be rich, and that's okay. Sounds humble, but it's secretly resignation. You've told yourself wealth is for other people, but why not you? Why shouldn't you have financial peace, freedom, and options? Settling is not humility, it's fear in disguise. New mindset. Others have done it. I can too. Toxic belief number 3. You have to work hard for money. Hard work is great, but it's not the full story. Some of the hardest working people are still broke because they haven't learned to work smart. Learn about passive income. Start a side hustle. Let your money work for you. New mindset. I work smart and money flows to me in multiple ways. Toxic belief number 4. I'm just bad with money. Would you say, I'm just bad at driving and never learn? No, you take lessons. Being bad with money just means you haven't learned the skill yet. New mindset. I can learn money skills just like any other skill. Toxic belief number 5. More money, more problems. This belief shrinks your vision. More money doesn't bring more problems, it brings more choices. You can delegate stress, prioritize health, walk away from toxic jobs. New mindset. More money is more freedom. Toxic belief number 6. Rich people are selfish. If you believe wealth are bad character, you'll never allow yourself to get rich. But guess what? There are selfish poor people and generous rich people. Wealth doesn't define you. You define how you use it. New mindset. I can be wealthy and kind, rich and generous. Toxic belief number 7. Budgeting means restriction. A budget doesn't limit you. It empowers you to control your money, instead of your money controlling you. Think of it as a freedom plan, not punishment. New mindset. My budget gives me power, purpose, and peace. I want you to know that each of these beliefs keeps you stuck. Here's how. Let's get real. Your thoughts about money aren't just thoughts. They shape your entire financial life. They shape the way you spend, the way you save, and most importantly, the way you see yourself. You may think you're just being realistic. You may believe you're not good with money, or that you'll never be rich, or that budgeting is too hard. But these aren't harmless beliefs. These are mental traps, and if you're not careful, they'll keep you stuck for years, sometimes your entire life. 1. They make you fear success. Sounds strange, right? Why would anyone be afraid of success? Here's the truth. Success brings responsibility. When you have more money, you're expected to manage more, give more, and do more. And that can feel overwhelming, especially if deep down you don't feel worthy of that success. This fear keeps you small. You hesitate to take that promotion. You delay launching that business idea. You talk yourself out of opportunities because, what if I'm not ready? But here's what you must understand. Fear of success is really fear of change, and the only way to grow is to embrace the unknown. Flip the script. Success is not something to fear. It's something to prepare for. You can learn. You can grow into the person you need to be. You are more ready than you think. 2. They make you avoid financial opportunities. Ever scrolled past a financial course that could change your life, but didn't click enroll? Ever avoided budgeting because it felt too stressful? Or ignored a conversation about investing because that's not for people like me? If yes, you're not alone. But these are missed opportunities, and they stack up. Toxic money beliefs keep you trapped in survival mode. They make every opportunity feel risky, every next step feel too hard. But here's a secret. You don't need to know everything. You just need to start. Opportunity doesn't wait for perfection. It rewards action. Genius suggestion. The next time you hear of a financial tool, course, or mentor, don't run away. Get curious. Explore. Ask questions. Take one small step forward. Your future self will thank you. 3. They keep you broke, anxious, and stressed. Let's talk about what it really costs to have the wrong beliefs about money. You stay in a job you hate because you believe that's all you deserve. You live paycheck to paycheck because you think budgeting is restrictive. You worry about bills, debt, and emergencies because you haven't built savings. And the emotional cost? It's even higher. Your self-worth takes a hit. You feel embarrassed talking about money. You avoid checking your account balance because it stresses you out. You start to believe that being broke is just part of who you are. But it's not. Being broke isn't your identity. It's a temporary situation, one that changes the moment you decide to take control. Here's the shift. You are not broke. You are becoming financially free. And that journey starts with your beliefs. Break free. It starts with one thought. What if you decided right now to believe something different? What if you stopped saying, "I'm just bad with money. I'll never get ahead. Budgeting is too hard," and instead said, "I can learn this. My past doesn't define my future. I am building wealth every single day." It may sound small, but one belief can spark a chain reaction. You start making smarter decisions. You feel more confident. You attract better opportunities. You finally give yourself permission to win with money. So, choose your beliefs carefully. Here's the thing. Your thoughts about money can be your biggest weapon or your biggest weakness. Each toxic belief is like a weight holding you down, keeping you stuck in fear, anxiety, and scarcity. But when you let those beliefs go, you rise. You unlock a version of you that's calm, confident, and financially free. You stop surviving and start building. So ask yourself, what belief is holding me back right now? What's the truth I need to replace it with? Say it out loud. I am in control of my money. I am ready to grow. Because once your mindset shifts, your money will follow, and so will your future. Say it with me. I am in control of my money, and I am ready to grow. Because once your mindset shifts, your money will follow, and then your life will follow. If this video helped shift your mindset, give it a thumbs up. Drop a comment. What toxic belief are you letting go of today? Subscribe now for weekly motivation and financial wisdom. Because you deserve more. And it all starts in your mind.